Everybody look at this. Flip in Bayamon, Puerto Rico. Juan Perlam has it. He brought it to me. He wants to partner up. So we're here today to check it out and see if it's a deal that we want to do with him as a flip, or maybe we're just going to be a hard money partner for him. Let's go check it out. Yeah, so we immediately come in, we see the floors are popping up. So I saw a video earlier and I thought they could be saved, but as I'm walking on them, I can hear them popping. I don't think they can be saved. Maybe the ones underneath them could actually be saved. So we'll see what Juan's intentions are. Got a nice big kitchen. So this would all come out, I would imagine, and put in a new one. Although this might pass FHA. Let's see. Wow, I love the black and white tile. So 4 bedrooms, 2 baths.
Yeah.
Needs everything, you know, it's a value add. This is what we do. All new fans, so all new light fixtures and fans. It looks like the electricity probably works because people are living here, and it just needs to be cleaned out, cleaned up. I think if we were to do it, we would do all new tile throughout. We would do 2 new bathrooms. Juan, we'll ask him what his idea is. He may do less and just try and sell it for a little bit cheaper, get it up to where it would qualify for an FHA buyer, and then sell it on to the next person who's going to live here. So we're in the backyard, I guess. Little chicken coop. Cat coop? Chicken coop? Yeah, it's a cat coop. I think you can make it a chicken coop. It's the new house hack because eggs are so expensive. They're like $100 an egg now, so if you get a bunch of chickens, you can make a living. So let's call Juan and see what his plans are for the house and then decide which way we're going to go with it. I will tell you without talking to Juan right now, I would lean more towards doing it as I come in with the money and he pays me basically an interest rate. So guys, we've done a bunch of deals with Juan Perlam. On this one, he thinks he can renovate it for 20 or 25,000, and I'll tell you, he gets things done for less money than I get things done, or maybe the truth is I go further than Juan does, right? My idea of a renovation on this would be closer to 50. I'm not sure where Juan's head is, so I'm going to give him a call. I'm going to figure out if we're going to do it as a hard money loan or as a flip. Either way, I'll do the deal with Juan because Juan always wins. He's really good at this. This house he can buy for 130 or 135,000 bucks, and he thinks fixed up all in that it's going to be worth around 225 or 230. So if Juan could buy it for 130, 135, sell it for 230, even if he does a $50,000 renovation, there's still plenty of meat on the bone. It's a really good deal. We're just going to figure out which way we want to go. Let's go talk to him in the car.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. We just walked through it. There's cat pee on all the floors. I don't think you can save those floors. Were you planning on pulling them up and redoing tile?
I'm gonna put new floors.
Yeah, you got to put new floors. How much do you think the renovation is then?
I'm gonna say that from 20 to 25, no more than 25.
No more than 25. All right.
Nah, no more than 25.
And are there comps in the neighborhood that prove the 230?
The 230, we can go up to 230. That's a big house. Do you see it?
It's a 4 bedroom, 2 bath. Yeah, it's a nice house. Big bedrooms too.
I'm gonna be a half bathroom right there in the kitchen. You see that space behind the first bathroom?
Yeah.
I'm gonna build a half bathroom over there. So it's gonna be 4 bedroom and 2.5 bathrooms.
4 bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms. That house is what, 1,700 square feet?
Yes.
Something like that. It's a big house.
Yeah. Yes. It could be 230 easy.
Okay. Could be 230 easy. Can it be 250?
Oh, we can put it in 250. What's the problem? Nothing bad in putting 250.
You can always come down. It's hard to go up, right?
Yeah, it's better to be from 250 and going down.
When do you need to close?
As soon as possible. When you want to close? I can close right now because all the paperwork is done. Cacho have done everything.
Okay, so next week?
Next week, Monday, Tuesday, whatever you want.
All right, I'll call Dave after this and we'll figure it out. We'll do it in the same series that we always use, and then let me ask Dave what money he wants to use for it. That'll determine whether it's a flip or a loan.
Okay.
Okay?
Call me later with the day that you're gonna do it, the closing, so I can tell cash. Okay.
Yes, you got it.
Okay. Gracias, Robert.
Okay,
Take care.
Juan. Thanks. All right.
Bye.
Bye. So guys, what we do there, what I was talking to Juan about, is the closing. And when we have people who call us up and want to partner with us, we actually buy the properties in one of our series LLCs. So PR Consultants is our business, and it's a series LLC. So every time we buy a new property, we use a different series. So we're on like series 115 or 120. We've started to recycle them, especially with Juan. I think with Juan we use series 2 or 42 or something like that, but we use it again and again and again. So we'll buy a house, he'll fix it up and sell it, then we'll buy another house, he'll fix it up and sell it, and we reuse the series. The point of the series is to individualize each property. So we kind of separate the portfolio as a whole into individual companies. So one company per one property. That way, if something bad were to happen during the renovation, one of the guys fell down or something and he gets hurt, they'd look to that series to cover the cost. So they'd use that series insurance and that kind of stuff, and make sure that it doesn't attach to the overall their portfolio projects. So we use these series in order to keep track of the properties, to keep them separate, to keep things safe, and it's just good for accounting. So one series LLC, one EIN number for one property. Now we're starting to recycle them, especially with partners like Juan, where we've done dozens of deals together, and we'll use the same series again and again. If you want to partner with us and you bring a deal to us like this one, and it's a really good deal, and maybe you're asking us to give you a hard money loan, the way that we would do it is we're a hard money partner by coming to the table and closing in our company, our LLC, our series, and then you would own it with us. As long as you make the payments to us, you get all of the upside beyond what we bring to the table. So we make an interest rate in that case. If we do it as a flip together, it's a 50-50 deal, then we take half of the profits for bringing the money, and you take half of the profits. So let's drive around the neighborhood. Let's see what the comps look like here. We'll see if there's anything for sale. Maybe we can call on something else. I'm still undecided about whether or not I want to do it as a flip, or if I just want to bring the money to the table and be like a hard money partner, way more passive. If we do it as a flip, then I'll care more about the renovations, and I'll want to have my finger in some of the decision making, and I'm not sure which way we want to go yet. So let's take a look around the neighborhood and see if we can come to a decision. I like the neighborhood.
Tell us about the neighborhood.
I like the neighborhood. It's a working class neighborhood, and the price point's right. You know, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath that he said he would create. Wow, we didn't think that in our renovation. I mean, 45 is what I come up with as a renovation. But anyways, if you're selling this house 220, that's something that is easy for people to qualify for. And it's a nice first time working class neighborhood. Buy them own, easy to sell too. When you've got an FHA approved house, you can find lots of FHA buyers.
You got the panaderia, you got the Chinese restaurant, you got things close by. Gas station.
Yeah, you're right by the little bakery. You've got gas stations and Bargain City. There's Bargain City. There's a Don Driving. Shouldn't flood because you got this water relief area thing over here to my left there.
Here's the house comes with a 9mm.
The house comes with several cats. There were kittens in one of the bathrooms.
Dude, she had cats locked up.
Shit, cats every frickin' where. That one cat ran away. She got upset. They're building that. Look at that. That's a nice renovation that they're doing. A very similar house. I bet they're spending more than 25 grand.
See,
Like that.
for rent.
For rent, yeah. That's a big, nice little apartment building. I like that. I like buying these. So that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unit building there. That's what they can look like fixed up. What they look like not fixed up.
One that looked like when they're abandoned.
This is what they look like when they're zombie houses. Here's the one that Juan is buying. All right, guys, so one thing's for sure, this is what a deal looks like. My friend Juan Perlon, he makes money on all of his deals. He's done a whole bunch of good stuff with me. So one way or another, we're gonna do this deal with Juan, whether we do it as a hard money partnership or we do it as his money partner and we just do the flip all together with him. I will make that decision. Like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll follow up. We'll show you what we're doing. I'll let you know in the next video. God bless.